Hi, this is Krishna Merchant, and thank you for joining us for the Market Roundup. It was an exciting week in terms of corporate announcements. The highlight was, of course, Tesco investing in the Tata-owned Trent Hypermarket Limited. We have with us Sapna Agarwal, who will tell us more about the deal. Hi, Sapna. Clearly, that was the highlight of the deal, Tesco investing in Tata Group Trent Hypermarket. So what does the deal actually mean? Because they have first time come out in the open and made that announcement. And what does it indicate for the retail sector?
So this really is about an intention to go ahead and invest in the Indian retail sector. Last year, after the government made some modifications to the retail policy, we did not see any multi-brand retailers really sign up and come out and announce their intentions for the plan. In fact, there have been setups with Walmart and Bharti tie-up, breaking up and in that sense, there's been a lot of ambiguity around what multi-brand retail holds. There are a lot of clauses and conditions. It's a state-wise policy. So even this policy, if you go to look at it, it is only applicable for 2 states. Even though Trent has 16 stores in India, they are operational in more than 4 states. This tie-up and this partnership will, as of now, be only for Maharashtra and Karnataka, not for Gujarat, not for Tamil Nadu, because these states are not for multi-brand retail so far. The implications are positive. It's a good signal because when this application goes through, there will be a lot more clearances as to what can be expected, how will it play out. And this will give other retailers who are looking at India and investing in India a chance to go forward and form those partnerships, whether it is Carrefour, Walmart, for instance, last month. They put in place a new CEO and he's an Indian. So this gives a sense of that they are looking at India and are getting prepared to do things the Indian way. So it's a positive signal for sure for the industry now.
So as Sapna pointed out, Trent investment in Tesco investment in Tata's Trent Hypermarket is positive, although it is a baby step, but it is a landmark announcement. Moving on to another major announcement was GlaxoSmithKline. They upped their stake in the Indian subsidiary from 50 to 75%. So we have with us Unni Krishnan, who will tell us what does it mean for the investors. So Unni, this was MNCs are looking at India as a main market, and many companies are coming and increasing their stake in Indian subsidiary. So what does this announcement of GSK upping its stake in the Indian subsidiary mean for investors?
Obviously, the company is making long-term bets in Indian pharmaceutical industry. That is quite evident, the fact that they have given 26% premium to this buyback offer. So they are investing close to 6,400 crores of rupees, which many analysts feel that the company is making long-term bets in this market.
Like GlaxoSmithKline, many multinational companies are betting on India's growth potential. Another announcement was AstraZeneca, another pharma company, investing, buying out the diabetes Bristol Myers joint venture. So Unni Krishnan, how will it benefit AstraZeneca, this announcement which came in this morning?
AstraZeneca is obviously betting on its core strategy, which includes the diabetic care market, which is a very niche segment, but it's very competitive market. And many analysts feel that this is one of the major reasons why Bristol Myers wanted to exit from this business. And AstraZeneca, because its core focus includes diabetic care, they found it an opportunity to strengthen it. The stocks are already receding for AstraZeneca because many analysts feel that the company at this stage is trying to reduce its workforce, and with this huge investment of close to $4 billion is going to be a high risk investment.
Clearly, investors are not enthused about this announcement. Moving on to another corporate announcement was one of the high-profile exits, clocking the 8th exit for Infosys. So we have with us Zara Khan. Infosys has been in the news following a number of top-level executives, leaving the company. So Zara, what does it mean for Infosys, and obviously will that impact any revenue projections?
Hi Krishna, thank you for having me. Last night marked another top-level exit from the country's second largest software exporter, Infosys. This time it was Subramaniam Goparaju, who has been with Infosys for 25 years, and he decided to part ways. He was, a senior vice president and head of Infosys Labs, and his last day would be on the 27th of December. Now, this is definitely not a positive for the company, who is trying to regain market share, which it lost to TCS and HCL. You have to keep in mind that this news comes around at the time when Infosys earlier this week told analysts that getting into the second half of this fiscal, they will be seeing choppy revenue growth. So this is definitely not a positive for the company, and we will have to see how things pan out in 2014 for the company. Thank you.
So yeah, investors are jittery about the top level exits at Infosys. That is all for corporate roundup. Do stay tuned to livemint.com for more updates.